Chapter 3: Soil Erosion and Conservation. New words: 1. Organisms. 2. Weathering. 3. Humus. 4. Topsoil. 5. Barren. 6. Soil erosion. 7. Vegetation. 8. Afforestation. 9. Deforestation. 10. Soil cover. 11. Shelter belts. 12. Overgrazing. 13. Windbreakers. 14. Embankments. 15. Terrace farming. Looking back, answer the following questions. 1. Why is the top layer of the soil the most fertile? Answer. The top layer of the soil, also known as topsoil, is the most fertile because it contains humus and minerals. 2. How does soil erosion by water cause floods? Answer. When rivers flow in hilly areas, carry more and more soil as they flow down. On reaching the plains, this soil deposited on the way, causing overflow and flooding. 3. How do human activities cause soil erosion? Answer. Human activities contribute to soil erosion in the following ways: A. Overgrazing. B. Deforestation. C. Improper farming practices. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of these does not cause weathering of rocks? A. Rain. B. Pollution. C. Wind. D. Force of flowing water. Answer is B. Pollution. 2. Which of these ways of soil erosion is not caused by humans? A. Deforestation. B. Fast flowing river. C. Overgrazing. D. Plowing. Answer is B. Fast flowing river. 3. Which of these can be caused by soil erosion? A. Drought. B. Cyclone. C. Flood. D. Earthquake. Answer is A. Drought. 4. Which of these measures is most useful in preventing soil erosion by water in hill areas? A. Covering the soil. B. Building embankments. C. Step farming. D. Growing hedges along farmlands. Answer is C. Step farming. B. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. Soil takes more time to form than to get eroded. Tick. 2. Roots of plants bind the soil particles and prevent soil erosion. Tick. 3. Soil erosion due to flowing water is more on hill slopes than on plains. Tick. 4. Soil in farmlands is less likely to get eroded after a crop is harvested. Cross. 5. Terrace farming is done mainly to reduce soil erosion due to wind. Cross. C. Find the answers in the word grid. 1. Breaking down of rocks into small pieces. Weathering. 2. The topmost layer of soil. Topsoil. 3. Strong embankments made along river banks. Bonds. 4. Clearing of forests by humans. Deforestation. 5. The removal of soil by water or wind. Erosion. 6. Rocks are broken into this fast unweathering. Pebbles. 7. Steps cut into the surface of a hill. Terrace farming. D. Fill in the blanks. 1. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. 2. The wearing away of rocks is known as weathering. 3. Cutting down of trees or deforestation increases soil erosion. 4. The protection against soil erosion is called soil conservation. 5. Terrace farming is done on hill slopes to prevent soil erosion. E. Answer the following questions. 1. How is soil useful for living things? Answer. Soil is useful for living things in the following ways. 1. Plants get water and minerals for growth from soil. 2. Many animals like earthworms, snakes and rabbits live in soil. 3. Soil can be used to make materials necessary for construction work. 2. What is weathering of rocks? In what way is it useful to us? Answer. The breaking down of rocks into pieces is called weathering of rocks. It is done by wind, water, temperature, plants and animals. It is useful to us as it leads to the formation of soil. 3. What do you mean by soil erosion? Answer. The process of carrying away of the soil by wind and water is called soil erosion. 4. How is soil eroded by water? Answer. Soil is eroded by water when rainwater carries a part of the soil while flowing over land. Soil erosion is faster in hilly areas as fast flowing rivers carries more and more soil while flowing down. 5. In what ways have the activities of humans resulted in increased soil erosion? Answer. Human activities that have led to soil erosion are A. Deforestation. The roots of trees bind soil and protect it from getting eroded when forests are cleared for building cities and factories. The land is left bare. B. Overgrazing. Overgrazing by cattle exposes the soil cover, increasing soil erosion. 6. How do the following help in reducing soil erosion? 1. Planting trees. 2. River embankments. 3. Step farming. 4. Soil cover. Answer. Planting trees. Plant roots hold the soil together and prevent it from soil erosion, especially on hilly slopes from flowing water. 2. River embankments. Strong embankments called bunds built along river banks prevent neighboring lands from soil erosion and flooding. 3. Step farming or terrace farming. On hilly areas, slopes are cut into steps to reduce the speed of flowing water. Also, the soil eroded from one step gets deposited on the next step, reducing erosion. 4. Soil cover. After harvesting crops, instead of leaving the field barren, it is covered with grass or dried vegetation to prevent soil erosion. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Without soil, is it possible for us to survive on this planet? Why? Answer. No, it will be impossible for us to survive on this planet because without soil there will be no plants and we will not get air, food or anything else. 2. Sometimes farmers leave the stems and roots of harvested crops on the field and do not remove them. What can be the reason? Answer. Farmers do not cut the crops totally and leave the stems and roots to prevent soil erosion.